I was not at fault for my accident. They totaled my car, but I still owe $8,000 on it. Does the insurance company have to pay off my loan? Boy, I hope that they do, but they don't. The insurance company is only responsible for paying you the value of your car. So let's say that your car is worth $20,000. but you owe $28,000. The insurance company has to pay you the $20,000, and then you're still left over with the $8,000 that you signed a contract with the bank when you purchased the car. Now, most of the time, people have something called gap insurance in this situation, which gap insurance implies it covers the gap. So if you owe 28, but you only get 20, gap would cover that remaining 8,000. And a lot of times dealerships and banks will make you get the gap before they give you the car, but it doesn't always happen like that. And if you don't end up getting gap, then you're in a situation where now you have a totaled car, you don't have access to the car, you have $20,000 that never goes to you, it goes right to the bank, and then you still owe the bank $8,000. You can contact the bank to just plead with them and say that this was a hardship for you, and hopefully they will reduce it or wipe it away if it's probably less than $8,000. Or when you go get your new car, let's say that you buy a new car for $10,000, well, you're gonna buy the car for $10,000, you're gonna have whatever interest that's on that $10,000 car, and then they're also going to have to put that $8,000 on top of that purchase as well. So you may then end up owing like $22,000 or $25,000 on the $10,000 car that you just bought. Think banks make money or what? There's not much more that you can do in this situation other than pursue an injury claim. If you have injuries, you can go and get an injury settlement, and then maybe that injury settlement will be a little bit of money in your pocket and will help you not feel so much of the weight of the $8,000 that you have to pay now on the car. You can also make sure that they have covered every day of rental that you've been without the vehicle. So the law says that the insurance company has to either give you a rental or the cost of a rental for every day that you've been without that vehicle up until it's declared a total loss. So sometimes people get into an accident, you're waiting for the insurance company. They finally call you, 2 to 3 weeks later, and they say your car's totaled. They still haven't got you a rental, and then it's all done with. But you could have went to them and say, okay, well, you still owe me 2 to 3 weeks of rental charges because it's not my fault. It took you 2 to 3 weeks to process this. I've did everything on my end. So, 2 to 3 weeks of rental, $35 a day. That's not going to solve the issue, but it's something to go towards it. If you'd like a free case evaluation, reach out anytime, 832-925-2030. God bless you. Have a good day.